Welcome. So, if you are preparing for your English Olympiad, here are some of the key things you must remember. Of course, the complete lecture series is available below. Now, the first thing is the their family. The commonly confused words are there, and they are. Now, there, the first word that you can see here is the word that actually comes from the word here, right? So, here means a place, a location, and therefore, there also means a place and location. So, there is the table, there is the chair, and this is what it is denoted. Now, there, where we say EIR, where it ends, is the position. There is their bags are lying there, their gifts are here, so that there talks about position or belongingness. And then the last is they are, that is the contraction of they are, and this is they are studying in the class, they are out for the play. And these are the three the common words which are confused in the their family. Similarly, we have the where family, and it and its, your and yours. So where is where, again it's the location, so it specifies where are you, where is the car parked, and so on. Were is the past tense of are. So you were about to answer in the class, you were about to go out, so that is were. And we are, that's the contraction for we are, and this is we are going to take part in the competition, we are going out for a lunch, and so on. Then it's and it is, right? So this shows a difference. It's is a position for a thing, so cat has its own tail, right? And it is it has, right? So it's a interesting book to read, so that's a contraction of it is, and its is the possession, right? The cat chased its tail, so that's about the cat only, the tail of the cat. Similarly, your, it's something belonging to your, so your school, your books, and so on. And you are, the contraction is your, and this is you are an excellent speaker. And that is one such example. So these are some of the phrases that we have talked about in English Olympiad. Of course, those who are preparing for English Olympiad can check out the complete course for all the classes at the link below on Doorstep Tutor. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day ahead.